When it comes to social media management tools, ViralHeat might have caught your attention, but before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know to make the best decision, and we'll also share an alternative that might be a better fit. First, ViralHeat offers robust analytics for tracking your social media performance. It consolidates data from platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, giving you a clear picture of how your campaigns are performing. But competitors like Hootsuite and Sprout Social go a step further with more in-depth reporting and customizable dashboards. Next, ViralHeat includes content scheduling to streamline your posting. While the interface is straightforward, it lacks the advanced features like AI-powered suggestions or bulk uploading that tools like Buffer and SocialBee provide. If efficiency is your top priority, keep that in mind. The third thing is its monitoring capabilities. ViralHeat helps you track brand mentions and sentiment analysis, but the accuracy can sometimes lag compared to BrandWatch or Mention, which specialize in these areas. Another consideration is team collaboration. ViralHeat allows multiple users to collaborate on campaigns, but its permission system feels basic compared to competitors like Zoho Social, which offer granular control over roles and tasks. Now let's talk pricing. ViralHeat is generally more affordable than some of the bigger names, but be cautious. Several features require higher tier plans, and the value for money diminishes compared to all-in-one platforms like AgriPulse. The sixth thing to know is integration. ViralHeat integrates with popular tools like Google Analytics, but its range of third-party integrations is limited. Tools like HubSpot or Later can connect with more apps, which might be crucial if you rely on multiple systems. Another factor is user interface. ViralHeat is designed for simplicity, making it beginner-friendly. However, if you need advanced customization or detailed metrics, the minimalist approach might leave you wanting more compared to a platform like Sprinklr. Customer support is the eighth thing to consider. ViralHeat offers standard email and live chat options, but its response times can vary. Competitors like Sendable and Hootsuite are often praised for their faster and more reliable support. The ninth thing is scalability. If you're managing multiple brands or scaling your business, ViralHeat might struggle to keep up, as it lacks some enterprise-level features that platforms like Sprout Social provide. Now, let's look at mobile support. ViralHeat has a mobile app for on-the-go management, but the app is less polished compared to alternatives like Buffer or Planoly, which offer more seamless mobile experiences. The 11th consideration is updates and innovation. ViralHeat has a slower rollout of new features compared to competitors, which could leave you behind in a fast-moving industry. Finally, let's talk about overall value. ViralHeat is a good entry-level tool for businesses with simple needs, but if you're looking for more advanced functionality, better integrations, and exceptional support, it might not be your best option. So, is ViralHeat worth it? For some, yes. But if you want a better alternative that ticks more boxes and offers a free trial, check out our recommended solution in the description below.